Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. So at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and this is part of the second look, which is a glam sort of pirate thing. Yeah, I've also done the gore version at the end, so if you're curious to see how either of the looks are done, then stay tuned. For this look I'll be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and first I'm going to go in with Extraction, which is this one here. And I'm just going to blend that above where my crease is. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Coma and bring that closer to the crease. Going to take a black from the Starry Eyed palette from Evil Eye Cosmetics. Going to take that shimmery black. And I'm just blending that over my lid. Slightly into Coma and Extraction. And just bring Coma a little bit more down under the eye. Take Extraction and put that underneath Coma. Then I'm going to take the matte black from the Starry Eyed palette, put that close to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Blacker eyeliner. Then I'm using the Evil Eye Cosmetics Look Sharp liquid eyeliner, and I'm just creating a dramatic wing. Now I'm just buffing all of that eyeshadow out a bit. So to add glitter, I use lash glue, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to try out Revolution Beauty's Glitter Bomb in No Excuses, and then I just dip into it with the brush and put it in place. So I'm contouring my cheeks, my jawline, and my cheeks, my jawline, and up towards my temples, and a little bit on my forehead. For my lips, I'll be using Cheeky Bits Lip Stain in Red Carpet. And I've gone straight over my Cupid's bow to give me more of a pouty looking lip. You can also get 10% off of all of your orders from Cheeky Bits using the code tashxglam10. So now I've taken off the eye patch and the wig, I'm going to gore this look up a little bit. I've created a mixture using black face paint and a little bit of water in this little spray bottle, which I think is really fitting of this Halloween series. So yeah, let's gore this up. So firstly I'm just going to lightly spritz around my face to make a little bit of darkness, as well as any other skin that's showing. Okay, that came out a bit too much. I'm also going to take Jeffree Star's Alien palette and use some Ghost OG. To make the contours a little bit heavier. Going to take that black matte eyeshadow again from the Evil Eye Cosmetics and just bring some black down as if they're tears. also going to take some there on fake blood. And it doesn't really matter if it's connected or not. At the top, because it is going to be covered by the eye patch anyway. Also going to smear it so it looks like it's been partially wiped off. Also dabbing a little bit of that around. And I'm also going to add a little bit of black to the side where the blood is. So this concludes this 31 days of Halloween day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you liked this video, there are still more days in this series to go. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!